Splish and splash, the water's cool. Welcome to the water park school. Slide and glide, laugh and play, a wet and wild, fantastic day. Zooming down the giant slide, feel the rush, enjoy the ride. Twists and turns, the splash is near. Water park fun is full of cheer. Lazy river, float along. Soft waves hum, a soothing song. Grab a tube and take it slow. Drift away, let the water flow. Buckets tipping from up high, splashing down, oh my, oh my. Laugh and giggle, dance around. The coolest splash pad can be found. Wave pools rise, the surf is strong. Jump and swim, right along. Up and down, the waves won't quit. A water adventure full of spirit. Water guns and spraying jets, splishy battles, no regrets. Aim and squirt, it's all in fun. Water park wars for everyone. Twist through tunnels dark and steep, the thrill of slides that make you leap. Hold your breath, then scream out loud. The water park rills make us proud. Tiny pools for little feet, shallow waters safe and sweet. Splashing toddlers smile so bright. Water park joy, pure delight. Climbing nets and watery trails, adventure calls, the fun prevails. Splashing steps, each one's a test. Water park days are the best. Sunshine beaming, skies so blue. Cool waters waiting just for you. Grab your goggles, join the game. Every moment here's not the same. Food and treats when hunger strikes, ice cream cones and fruity bites. Take a break, then dive back in. The water park's where fun begins. Friends and family gather near. A water park day is full of cheer. Splashes, laughter, memories made under the sun where smiles never fade.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.